Hello and welcome to English with Confidence podcast. Here, we don't just learn English. We live it through stories, emotions, and imagination. Each story you'll hear here will take you on a calm, meaningful journey, helping you relax, dream, and learn English naturally. Whether you're just starting your English journey or want to speak more confidently, these stories will help you understand words, feel their emotions, and use them with ease in real life. So put on your headphones, take a deep breath, and let's begin today's story, where English meets imagination. Once upon a time, in a small quiet town, there lived a girl named Mira. Mira was different from others. She loved silence, stars, and the soft light of the moon. Every night, she sat near her window, looking up at the sky, and whispered, "Good evening, moon. How are you today?" The moon never replied, but somehow, Mira felt that it listened. She shared her secrets, her fears, her little dreams. At school, she was shy. She didn't talk much because her English wasn't good. When teachers asked questions, she stayed quiet. Not because she didn't know the answers, but because she was afraid to make mistakes. One night, she said to the moon, "I want to speak English confidently, but whenever I try, my words get lost." The moon smiled in silence. And that night, Mira had a dream. She was walking on a silver path made of moonlight. The moon said softly, "Words are like stars, Mira. They shine when you believe in them." Next morning, Mira woke up with new energy. She looked in the mirror and said, "Good morning, Mira. You can do this." From that day, she started small. She spoke one new English sentence every day. At the tea stall, she said, "Please give me 1 cup of tea." At school, she said, "Can I borrow your pen?" People smiled. Some laughed. But she didn't stop. Day by day, her confidence grew. The same words that once scared her became her strength. Months passed. One evening, during a school event, her teacher asked, "Mira, will you give the welcome speech?" Her hands trembled, but her heart said, "Yes." That night, before sleeping, she whispered, "Moon, tomorrow is my big day. Please be with me." Next evening, the school hall was full. Mira stood on stage. Lights were bright, faces were many. She took a deep breath and said, "Good evening, everyone. My name is Mira, and tonight, I want to share a little story." Her voice didn't shake. Her words flowed like a calm river. When she finished, everyone clapped. But Mira looked up at the sky and smiled, because she knew the moon was smiling too. Sometimes, learning a language isn't just about grammar or vocabulary. It's about courage. The courage to speak even when you're scared. So next time you hesitate, remember Mira and her moon. Your words will shine too, when you believe in them. If you liked this story, don't forget to subscribe and join me again for another magical English story. Until next time, keep learning, keep shining.